Hello everyone, welcome back to Bliss Degree. If you're a crochet lover like me, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the wonderful world of amigurumi. I've rounded up 30 free adorable crochet amigurumi patterns that you can try today. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. So grab your hooks and let's get started. All of these patterns are available for free, and I've linked them in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing crochet content. Remember, each pattern is linked in the description box below, so you can easily access and start crocheting your new favorite projects. Simply click on the Google Doc link and get access to all the patterns. And there you have it, 30 adorable amigurumi patterns for you to try today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crochet content, and let me know in the comments which pattern you're most excited to try. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you next time.